Unveiling the Scales of Speech. Understanding on balance. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for everyone. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, on balance. This expression might seem simple at first glance, but it holds a significant place in English communication, especially when weighing different viewpoints. So, if you're ready to balance out your English skills, let's get started. The phrase, on balance, is used when someone wants to show that they have considered all the aspects of a situation before making a judgment or expressing an opinion. It's like saying, after looking at all the information, I think. This phrase helps us communicate that our conclusion is thoughtful and takes different factors into account. For example, someone might say, on balance, the benefits of exercise outweigh the inconvenience of going to the gym early in the morning. Here, the speaker is showing that they have thought about both the good and the less appealing aspects of exercise before deciding that it's worth it. On balance is particularly useful in formal discussions or writings, such as essays, debates, or presentations. However, it's not out of place in everyday conversation when you're discussing serious topics or decisions. Let's consider a few situations where, on balance, is the perfect fit. 1. Debating. On balance, I believe that the city's new policy will benefit residents despite some of the drawbacks discussed. 2. Making a decision. On balance, renting seems more feasible than buying a house right now, considering the market conditions. 3. Giving your opinion. The movie had its flaws, but on balance, it was an enjoyable experience. By using on balance, you're telling your listeners or readers that you're presenting a well-considered viewpoint. Interestingly, the phrase, on balance, comes from the accounting world, where it refers to the final amount on a balance sheet after all debits and credits have been accounted for. In everyday language, it means you've considered all the debits and credits, or pros and cons, of a situation. While on balance is a straightforward phrase, it's important to use it correctly. Do not use it to describe physical balance, like standing on one leg. Avoid using it when you haven't discussed multiple aspects or viewpoints. It's only appropriate when you've actually weighed different sides of an argument. Don't confuse it with similar expressions that don't convey considered judgment, like, on the whole, or, in general. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, on balance. Remember, it's a valuable tool in your English language arsenal for expressing a nuanced and weighed opinion. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep balancing those English skills.